Hello guys! Try natin sagutan ito ating CSE Review 2026 for today. Okay, so multiply 3 and 4/5 by 1 and 2 over 7. So first, let's write muna yung ating given. 3 and 4/5 multiply by 1 and 2 over 7. Ngayon, pag nagmumultiply tayo ng mixed number sa mixed number, hindi natin pwedeng i-direct multiplication lang or direct multiply whole number to whole number and then numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Ang una natin kailangan gawin is to convert yung ating dalawang mixed number into improper fraction. Yun yung right way. Okay, tatandaan nyo yun. So yung 3 and 4/5, ang gagawin lang natin, itong denominator na 5, mumultiply natin sa whole number na 3. This will give us 15. And then yung product nila, i-add natin sa ating numerator. So 15 plus 4, that is 19. And then copy lang natin yung old na denominator which is yung 5. Multiply by, same lang yung gagawin natin sa 1 over 2, 7. So 7 times 1, this is 7 plus 2 which is yung numerator niya, that is 9. And then copy yung 7 na ating denominator. Ngayon, meron na tayong dalawang improper fraction na pinagmumultiply. Mumultiply lang natin numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So we have 19 times 9, that is 171. Divided by 5 times 7 for our bagong denominator, that is 35. Ngayon, meron na tayong sagot na improper fraction. Pero sa choices natin, ang kailangan natin, mixed number. So ngayon, i-convert natin ito pabalik sa mixed number natin. Okay? So ngayon, ilang 35 meron sa 171? That is 4. Okay? And then 4 times 35, this is 140. And then susubtract natin to. So 171 minus 140, that is 31. So ngayon, itong ating 4 or yung quotient niya, yung whole number niya, ito yung magiging whole number natin sa ating mixed number. Okay? And then itong ating remainder na 31, yung natira, yan yung ating numerator na bago ngayon. Over yung old na denominator natin, which is 35. So this is our answer for this question, which is letter B. For our next question, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. So that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.